Okay ba 'to? Oo, yata okay naman yan siya. Try natin mamaya. Ano, mag-aano tayo ng breakfast ni Ella. Dali lang. At itong antik na aso ko nagdidiwara na. Pero sandali lang, Prince. I'm going to do porridge for Ella. Kasi yung ano niya ngayon, breakfast niya ngayon, porridge. Wait! Porridge daw siya ngayon. Porridge. Alright. Ito. Apple and blueberry. Apple and blueberry. Ayan, gusto namin i-testing ulit kasi kanina parang wala siya. So, kailangan pala i-ano ko dun sa settings.
Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Hello. Come here.
So, tingnan natin. Okay. Tingnan natin kung okay siya.
Hello, 1, 2, 3.
Is it on? Yeah, it's on.
Green screen.
Okay. Ewan ko kung bakit ganito. Parang napaka-ano niya, kailangan ano.
Just click it on yourself.
Yeah, but it's not like, I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, say something.
Hello, 1, 2, 3.
Say something, 1, 2, 3.
Hello. Hello. Mama's ironing the clothes. And I have a cold.
Oh, no. Wait, Ella, we need to give you ano, ha?
Lemon and honey.
We should have done that last night. You forgot to tell Mama.
My throat hurts.
Same.
And I have a blocked nose.
Oh, no. We can't do that because you can't have that because you're going to have your audition on 29th. Let's feed you and then let's give you food and then oh, Ella, can you grab me if you can find what do you call that? Your sausage rolls. Well, bring that one with you. Bring the video with my phone with you. So then that you're gonna get it.
I'm already wearing the microphone.
No, my phone. You can video yourself getting it. Blue box.
I know. Oh, it's up here. Can't get it out.
1 minute.
It's still here.
Put the phone down. Show yourself like that.
I'll pop you here. And now you can see properly. Okay. I can't get it out.
Can you manage or not?
No. I can't get it out.
Where is it?
Is that it?
Yeah.
I can't get it out. Walking to school because Dad has gone to America for work. got Oscar's new scratch pad.
How long is that now, Ella? Probably it's too long.
2
Nah.
minutes and 50 seconds. 53, 54, 55, 56 seconds.
3. Take it off.
Okay,
Ayan, tingnan natin. Oh, if there's an icon like that, it means that you have it.
I know.
No, that thing.
I know, I saw it before.
Okay, fine. Sige, alam niya lahat. Mag-brush ko lang siya. And then check if it's really cold outside. If it's really cold outside, you wear gloves. If not, it's fine. Probably it's not that cold.
No, I want to wear gloves.
You want to wear gloves?
It looks foggy, and that means it will be cold.
Not really. Oh. You show them outside, ha?
Yeah, it's foggy.
Oo, foggy siya. Ready?
1 minute.
Okay. Get ready na nga kami kasi Ella's going to school. We're just gonna walk.
Yeah.
We got no data today.
I'm earlier if I walk.
It's true.
Don't know why.
It's because we're aware of our time. When Dad is here, we're not really aware of it. And then we're not careful to use the time because we know that we're going to go there.
Pretend that. Just tell me that Dad is on a work call, so we have to walk, and then we'll be earlier. But then Dad is still gonna drive.
Yeah.
You just tell me that.
Maaga pa naman. It's only 7:34. So
I remember when we walked before. Every time we walked, we'd see India. Every time we walked, we'd see India either walking or driving.
Yeah.
And then they gave me a ride.
It's only a one-off.
My short hair.
Yes, exactly. Don't know why you have that. No idea. Hang on.
I don't know.
May nagwawalang beep-beep dito.
It is done. Yay.
So, nagawin na
I was like that, and then I realized that was on, and then it was still.
What do you call this? It's foggy.
It's not raining.
Foggy siya.
It actually feels nice.
Yeah. We're not going that way, Ella.
Okay.
You're gonna get
feels
wet.
nice. Oh, it's raining a bit. A bit. Yeah, it's a little bit of a sprinkle. I'm wearing gloves so it won't work when I touch the screen.
Tell them where you're going now.
We're walking because I'm going to school. I'm wearing my brown fluffy coat.
Yes. I don't know how you do like turn it as soon as. So ayan, mag-walking kami kasi nga wala nga si Dada. Dada's not here. So
we're
walking.
To walk. And it's raining. I can feel it.
A little bit. A little bit of spitting.
Someone's spitting on me.
Someone's spitting on me daw, sabi niya. Ay, naka. Come here. Ayan siya. Yung outfit. Ayan si Ella. Nakauwi na. Kanina pa yan. What time did we get back? Like Probably 4 o'clock,
No, we didn't.
something.
3:55.
3:55 daw. Ay, yan ang 4 o'clock. Kasi niya 3:55. So, inaano niya yung kanyang pagkain, kanyang ulam. She's going to have quail egg and,
This is how I crack mine.
yeah, and rice. Tapos, ayun yung rice natin. Ako naman, ang aking pagkain is tinolang manok. Ewan ko kung kakain si Kuya Epi niyan, pero yan ang aking niluto tonight, for our din-din. Tinolang manok. Bango! Can
Is the
smell
rice
it.
cooking?
No, it's already cooked. Kasi nag-rice kami kaninang tanghali. Me and Kuya Epi had rice at lunchtime. Ang pang nung sabaw. The soup is so nice. Ayan. Tapos ayan, naglalaba pa ako. Ang magaling kong anak, ayun. Pinalaban ako. Maulan pa rin ang umaga. Then,
The egg is broken, so I'm gonna eat it.
okay. Yan oh. Pero ano, parang tumigil yata yung ano, yung ampon. Ingay ni Prince. Ay! Ayan siya, oh. Oh. Narinig niya yung... Oscar heard me unlocking the door. It's locked now, cheeky. Gusto ko sana lumabas eh. Pakita ko sa inyo dun eh. Oh. Ayan siya. Yung ano namin, yung garden set, yan. Papalitan na yan siguro next year. Bago mag-summer time ulit.
To show you how I cook my egg. And I want to show you how I do my egg.
Gusto daw niya pakita kung paano niya gawin yung egg niya. Sige.
It might break a bit.
Itlog, pugo. Say itlog, pugo.
Itlog pugo.
Yes, that's quail egg. Pugo is quail. Itlog is egg.
You just crunch it up.
Yeah.
It comes off really easily. See?
Mm-hmm.
And then you wash it so there's no shells on it.
Mm-hmm.
The egg might break through. Easy to come off.
Brilliant. Tinola craving satisfied maya-maya. Tapos, andun na yung rice natin. Kanina pa luto yung rice. There. Yung rice.
Done.
Yung kanya.
Now I'm just gonna rinse them.
Okay. But this is mine. My tinola. Tinolang manok. Naamoy ko talaga yung ano niya mga bibs, yung kanyang sabaw. Kain na ako. kain na kami ni Ella. We're gonna eat na.
I rinsed
While we're eating, we're gonna watch movie. Let's see. You choose the movie. Siya mag-choose ng movie. Tapos sabihin ko sa inyo kung paano ang aking tinola. Kung masarap ang aking tinola. Bango. Hi, magandang gabi. So, gabi na. Pakita niyo yun.
I'm going into the shower.
Pakita niyo
open yan. Aayusin ko kasi marami akong itatapon dun sa mga damit niya. Hindi ko na naman talaga ginagagamit. Alam mo yun, yung nagiging hoarder lang ako. Tapos yung mga hindi gagamitin na kasi 'di ba palamig na kasi malamig na eh. So wala nang hindi na pwedeng summer dress, 'di ba? Summer outfit. So na natin, itatabi na natin. Kailangan na ng mga summer outfit para sa work at pang araw-araw. So ayun nga. Dito pa rin matutulog si Ella sa akin kasi wala nga si tatay. Sige, binigyan ako ng 50 pounds. Sa kakakulit ko. Baliktad, no? Dapat ako magbigay. Marami siyang pera sa akin eh. But anyway, saya na nga. Matutulog na kami. Hinihintay ko lang, sabi ko kay Kuya Epirin, tawagan na lang ako kasi ayokong umakyat ng wala kasi si tatay dito. So, ayokong iwanan na, bukas yung pintuan. Hintayin ko na lang siya, di bali ng, maano naman akong gumising, maaga naman akong gumising. Kahit na, late na ako matulog, maaga pa rin ako magising. Nakita niyo pa, ang dami. Yan ang gagawin ko tomorrow. Hindi ko alam kung lalayas ako tomorrow or what, kasi, ano ba yung wala na si Ella? Marami kami, hindi, yung yung pads ni Prince. Wala na ha, dalawa na lang yata yun. Kaya kailangan kong bumili. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako bibili. Tapos si Ella, hala, ayan na. Nag-coughing na rin. Bibili ko ng cough syrup din. Kasi ayokong magtuloy-tuloy yung niya, yung coughing niya kasi may concert siya, may concert December, tapos meron din silang theater, dalawa yung theater niya. Ayokong magkaano-ano, kaya sinabi ko sa kanya walang sweets muna, bawal muna sweets sa kanya, tsaka yung mga ice cream wag na yan muna kasi nga yung niya, yung voice niya. So samahan niyo ako tomorrow. Ngayong araw na to medyo boring ang ating araw kasi nga wala akong pinuntahan, hindi talaga ako lumayas. Hinatid sundo ko lang yung anak ko sa ulan. Ano ba yan? So, good night. Hintayin natin si Ella ha. Mag-good night kami dalawa sa inyo mamaya-maya. Hintayin ko lang kasi pinaligo ko kasi pinaamoy sa akin yung paa. Diyos ko, amoy pawis. Yeah.